Welcome to Methods Machine Tools, the facility here in Sudbury, Massachusetts. This is Machine Fest, and they've packed this place full of high technology machinery and over 25 suppliers to bring their customers the most cutting edge solutions. Let's go and have a look.
So Methods is a 65-year-old company. We are an importer and distributor of world-class machine tools that our customers are going to see on site. So events like Machine Fest, really, we bring these to our different offices around the country, and our objective here is to show our attendees and our customers how much more we are than just the machine tools we sell. The customers on site here in Sudbury today, they're going to see, yes, all these machine tools, but they're going to see world-class automation. They're going to be able to talk to dozens of suppliers who make up our ecosystem, everything from work holding to tooling to chip blasting. And really, we want our customers to come on site here and really be able to visualize how they can build a whole solution for their shops right here on site in Sudbury.
If you want to make out the best for your Methods machine, you have to work with the right suppliers. So let's check out what they have to say about Methods and how they work together.
Today we're here in an open house, two-day event with vendors in here to show our vendors our new products and how we back up and support Methods and integrate with their machine tool.
It's really just keeping customers happy, and it's putting our product on top of a good product with the Methods machines and ends with happy customers. And that's the business we're in, is to make customers happy and make them efficient and save them money.
The relationship with Aeroex and Methods works really well together. Privately owned companies really have those values that the customer comes first, the customer experience is second to none, and we all believe in providing a great product for our customers that they're going to be happy with.
Methods is one of the cream of the crop as far as the machine tool builders and machine tool dealers in the United States. They have an application experience that is extremely strong, as well as an ability to see what a customer need is and have a variety of solutions that they can provide. Not only do they build a machine tool, but they also have other machine tools that they import and integrate into turnkey systems, as well as customize whenever a customer needs a customized solution.
Of course, having complex machinery with the right technical products is great, but there'd be nothing without their customers.
I'm Andrew Borg. I manage a CNC machine shop in Hudson, Massachusetts. We make all kinds of parts for aerospace, defense, medical. We're here today because Methods has been known forever for providing really high quality machining solutions, and we came here to see what they have. We've been buying stuff from Methods since the early 1980s because they're trustworthy, because they're honest, because they have some of the highest quality stuff around. You can buy cheaper things, but you get what you pay for. Well, Methods has always allowed us to repair our equipment easily. They have great tech support. They have great service technicians that'll come in and help us fix the stuff. And they also have applications engineers that we can use for helping us figure out the better way to do stuff. And usually when we buy something from Methods, we'll talk to them about what we're trying to do, and they'll make sure that we get the right machine for the right job.
My name is Steve DiNapoli. I'm the CNC lathe multi-axis foreman at Casey Precision in Ipswich, Massachusetts, a subsidiary of Momentum Manufacturing Group. For the 38 years I've been in the trade, I've been dealing with Methods almost the entire time. Okay. First time Methods was chosen at the first shop I was in was because of the flexibility and the relationships we forged with them over the course of the years. It's a commitment to bring the best products to the market and to service those products as well and to keep them running. The only way you make money is by keeping spindles turning.